Hi, I'm Matt from Harley-Davidson Service, here to talk about our wireless headset interface module, otherwise known as WHIM, on the Boom GTS Infotainment system. In addition to this video, remember to also use your Boom owner's manual and check the information on harley-davidson.com. Here, I have a model year 19 CVO Ultra Limited to show you how to pair your wireless headset. Make sure to have your headset in hand to get started. Here, I'm going to walk you through how to pair your wireless headset to your WHIM module. First, make sure your wireless headset is placed into pairing mode. Next, go to the Setup menu and select Wireless Headset Setup. Here, you can select the location you wish to pair. The wireless headset you're trying to pair will display in the menu. Select it. Once completed, your wireless headset will show connected. And you're done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, throw us a like, and we'll see you next time.